Good day, students. Welcome or welcome back to our guidance and tutorials for your quarter 2, week 5 and week 6 in mathematics 9. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, be sure you hit that like button, share this one with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you will be updated for our next video tutorial during this pandemic. Okay, so for week 5, the topic is all about rational exponents. So in this lesson, you will study on how to simplify expressions with rational exponents. So let us remember, for your product rule and for your division or quotient rule. So if x to the power of m times x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of m plus n. So, kay bawo na ta ana sa last na nga module, that is for module 4 or week 4. Then, x to the power of 1 over n times n is just equal to n over n. So, ang kaning n, imong i-times diha. Di na nimo labtan. Pwede ra po na nimo i-cancel ang n o ang n. So, x to the power of 1. So, exponents may also be fractions such as x to the power of 1/3, a to the power of 2/3, or n to the power of 1/4. Okay, let us try some examples. Number 1. Okay, so x to the power of 1/2 times x to the power of 1/2. So, ang hitabo, x to the power of 1/2 plus x to the power of 1/2. Since pareha sila og base nga x. Sir, question, nganong nahimo naman laman ng x? Remember, 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to 1. So, understood nga na si Jai, 1. Number 2, m to the power of 1/3 times m to the power of 1/3 times m to the power of 1/3 is equal to m raised to the power of 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. So, understood m kay i-plus naman po ni tanan. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Copy ra nimo ang denominator basta pareha na. So, therefore, x to the power of 1/2 times squared is just equal to x, as well as m to the power of 1/3 times cube is equal to m. So for any non-zero number a and any integer m and n with n is greater than 1, a to the power of m over n is just equal to n square root of a to the power of m, except when n square root of a does not represent any a real number. Okay, example. Let us try to evaluate this one. So, 27 to the power of 1/3 is just equal to kining imong denominator sa exponent ni mga fraction, imo ibutang diri. So, may mo ang cube root of 27. Ang answer is equal to 3. Sir, giunsa pagkuha ang 3? Mangita ka og number nga imong i-multiply katulo, nganong katulo man kay cube man, nga mo answer og 27. So mo ni diri 3 to the power of cube is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. Therefore, ang cube root sa imong 27 is equal to 3. Okay? Number 2. 32 to the power of 1/5. So, ang imong denominator 5. So, 5th root of 32. So, same nga ria sa 3. Mangita ka og number nga imong i-multiply by itself kalima nga mo answer og 32. So, since ang number nga atong pwede nga nato i-multiply by itself is equal to 2. Number 3, same ra gihapon. So, negative 3 ang answer. Number 4, number 4. Negative 16 to the power of 1/4 is equal to 4 man na. So, 4th root of negative 16. So, since wa naman kay number diha nga imong ma-multiply by itself nga mo answer og 16, so meaning that is not defined. For number 5, find the product of 3x to the power of 1/2 and 2x to the power of 2/3. Okay, kini may atong hinumduman. So, recall ta sa law na to or rule sa fraction. Okay, solution na ra. So, since multiplication man, ito rin ay times 3 times 2, mao ni siyang 6. Then, x ug x, kopyahon. then ang ilang exponent which is 1/2 and 2/3 itong i-plus. So 1/2 plus 2/3 is equal to, kopyahon nimo ang 6x. Remember, di ka pwede mag-plus or mag-sum up og fraction kung dili pareha og denominator. So atong gi-LCD, 2 ug 3 ang LCD is 6. So 6 divide 2 is 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Mo ni nahimong 3. Then nga rin na putas pikas, 6 divide 3 is 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. Then equals, copy ang 6x, then ang imong numerator 3 plus 4 mo nang 7/6. Kung ma-reduce pa ninyo, inyo nang i-reduce into lowest term. Okay, so that is all for week 5. So assessment na ta. So simplify the following. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dali ra kayo. Just simplify that one na kay mga given example. Okay, so week 6. Okay, nanata sa week 6. Topic for week 6 is about radicals. So in this lesson, you will study on how to write expression and rational exponents as radicals and vice versa. So i-change ra ni nato. So direct ha diri ata di na nato basahon ng mga terms diha ana na sa inyong module. Okay, so kini atong exponential. Ganina kabantay mo nga a then m over n. So meaning ang imong ganing exponent nga fraction, ang denominator sa imong exponent mo ni imong n. Mo na imong ibutang sa imong square root sign, then ang imong a kopyahon, then ang m nimo remain ra nga exponent. So ang unsa ra may nawa ang n ra, mugawas ning imong denominator then butangan nimo og square root. Unsa man ning n, mo ni ang index. Ang m exponent, ang a radicand, ang kaning nakakuan nga square root sign mo na itong gitawag og radical sign. Okay? So next direct dayon ni aron dali ra masabtan. Okay. Examples. So first, expression with fractional exponents ato i-transform into radical. Ang sunod, radical ngadto sa exponential. Okay, number 1, x to the power of 1/4. So understood nang ang imong exponent is 4. So imong exponent is 1. So ang imong 4 mo imong ibutang. Mo ning imong x or 4th root of x na ana diri si 1. Wa na lang gisuwat, understood na nga pwede na ng 1. Number 2, y raised to the power of 2/3. So mahimot bo cube root of y squared or this one. Pwede ra mo pili kani inyong gamiton or either kani ba, as long as comfortable mo. Okay, number 3, 16k or 16 raised to the power of 1/2 ug k raised to the power of 2/3. So kabantay mo pareha sila og denominator 2 diha 2 pud nga ri. So square root ra ato ibutang. So sir, wa man lagi na butang ig 2 diha. Understood, basta naka square root na ka, ang imong index ana is equal to 2. Then kopyahon ang 16, kopyahon ang k. Ang 16 kay 1 ra man, so butang ra kag 1. Ang k kay 3 man, so butang ra kag 3. Sir, dili din na pwede nimo himuong square root of 16. So since transforming ra man ta, di sa nato i-evaluate. So mo ra na. Okay? Number 4, dana sa ato ning week 4 nga kanang module. So x to the power of negative 1/2, di ba? Sa atong week 4 dili ta pwede magamit og negative. So mao ning ato ni silang iubos. So ang hitabo mao ni 1 over x to the power of 1/2. Di ba? Usa man ni sila ka term kani. Usa na sila ka term. So ang mahitabo imo nang kopyahon nga 1 over. So mao ni ang mahitabo. Or 1 over kani kay di pa man ni nato radical form ato i-change. So na to square root of x. Okay, for number 5, 16 over 25, then ang exponent is negative 3 over 2. So para mahimuzon positive, only ang imong bayluon ang kanirang imong number. Kana ra diha. So mo ning 25 over 16, then 3 over 2 na positive na kay automatic imo na mong gi-change. Or square root of 25 over 16, then 3. Nganong may square root man sir, di ba 2 na tanawa. Usa man ni sila ka term. So mo nang gisod sila square root silang duha. Kutob ra ka diha. Okay? Then radical form. So, retas radical to exponential. Number 1, 4th root of y cube. Ay, kopyahon na nimo. Y, then 3 over 4. Asayo na ra. Number 2, 10 square root of 3x to the power of 5. Remember nga ang si 10 nalayo nas gawas. So, i-remain na po ni mas gawas. Then, kopyahon nimo ang 3x to the power of 5. Imo i-close in parentheses. Then, raised to the power of 1/2. Nga nung 1/2 man, di ba? Square root. So, understood na siya 2. Giusa na to silang duha since ang 3x to the power of 5 maora may naasud sa square root sign. Number 3, 5. O, nalayo na po si 5. So, 5, then k. Kopyahon nimo 3 over 2. O, mao ni siya. Mth root, number 4. Mth root of y to the power of a times mth root of y to the power of 5. Kabantay mo, pareha sila og index which is m. So, meaning, understood na sila over m. So, ang may tabo, ya to the power of 1 over m, then y to the power of b times 1 over m. Then, dire, gitagsa-tagsa, tanawa. Kanisay ahong unahon. Square root of cube root of 5. So, cube root, ano gani, 1 over 3. So, 5 to the power of 1/3. Then, na-solve na nimo. Mari na po kaspikas. The square root man. So, 1/2. 1 is siya. Okay? So, for your assessment, transform its expression to radical form and vice versa. Okay. So, number 1, kani, unsa man nga klase? Exponential. So, himuon na nimong radical. Number 2, exponential, himong radical. Number 6, radical man himo din exponential, radical himo exponential, so vice versa, so on and so forth. Okay, so that's all. Thank you and God bless. Again, be sure to hit that like button, share that one to your friends and classmates, subscribe and hit that bell so that you will be updated. So thank you and God bless, students. Stay safe. Amen and amen.